It's another gorgeous day here in North Carolina. We are going to use a rattle can to prime this stuff here. Now I'm using a gunmetal buffing metalizer. This is a model master color, and it's lacquer. But what's cool about this is you can use this almost in any humidity or basically weather conditions. Even if it's raining out, you don't have to worry about it getting fuzzed as long as you kind of maintain a respectable distance. So the very first step is you want to mix up your primer. You want to shake it up, but you also want to rotate it so the ball is going around the bottom here. And usually I do about 30 seconds or so, just kind of going back and forth between up and down and around the bottom there. Now you'll notice that I'm pushing down very quickly back and forth on the nozzle here, but I'm also moving my hand horizontally back and forth as well at the same time. Generally while I'm priming, I'm rotating the palette here as well, right, with my hands underneath it, kind of like a basketball. And then when I rest it on my wrist right here. Now when you get your robots on a stick, or your models on a stick, this is super easy. You don't have to wait for it to dry. You don't have to do your whole 360 hold it thing. You just basically hold it like a sword here and just spray them all down. Super easy. We're coming back for another pass. We flipped everything over. So we're just going to do the same thing, just gently depressing as we're going side to side, about 4 to 6 inches away. And for the very last step, you just basically grab all your stuff off your boards that you let sit out all day, or for whatever time period you can. If you need to bring them inside, you can throw them in a bathroom, turn the fan on. Right here, I basically have transferred all the stuff over to some new project boxes with bubble wrap inside.
Spiking bits.